To celebrate St. Patrick's Day this year, we're going to make our very first Claddagh ring, a Celtic ring steeped in history. Most people have seen this ring design before, but don't know the story of how it came to be. It all started many years ago in the small fishing village of Claddagh, Galway, Ireland. Richard Joyce was about to leave his lady love and embark on a voyage to find his fortune, only to be kidnapped by pirates and sold into slavery. Luckily for Richard, he landed on his feet. He'd been bought by an Algerian goldsmith who put him to work learning the trade. Richard quickly took up the skill and became an integral part of the company, working his way up and living a pretty comfortable life for a slave.
You didn't care. A different kind of love. A different kind, it was such a different kind of love. Nothing's easy, never is. But some love is haunted from the start. From the get-go to the final blow, yeah, you got a different kind of heart. You were a merry-go-round, I was the fire that burned.
His lady back in Ireland would have had no idea where Richard had disappeared to or what had become of him. For all she knew, he was dead or run off with his side chick. He vowed that he would one day return to Ireland back into her arms. So he designed a ring that symbolised love, loyalty and friendship, so she was forever in his thoughts. After being held captive for 14 years, Richard finally won his freedom when King William III came to the throne in 1689 and ordered the freeing of all European slaves. His master came home one day to find Joyce packing his bags and was quite distraught as he had become quite fond of him and Richard was earning him a lot of money. He quickly offered Richard 50% of his business, but Joyce refused, saying it wasn't about the money. When his master realised that there was a woman involved, he offered him his beautiful young daughter's hand in marriage. He hadn't seen or spoken to his lady love in over a decade. Now, what are the chances that she hadn't been scooped up by some young, handsome Irish lad? But he looked down at the ring in his hand that he created all those years ago to remind himself of the loyalty and love that he felt for his best friend. I think it's safe to say that Joyce was a gambling man as he jumped on the next ship back to Ireland. She did wait for him, she was still single. It makes you wonder whether he regretted his decision or whether she was still as beautiful as the day that he left. In the next video, I'm going to be making a white gold and diamond Easter egg. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notifications, and I'll see you next time.